Okay, John here with Clean Right Exterior Cleaning. Just going to show you guys, I know I'm an exterior cleaner, but I'm going to show you we do interior driving cleaning. So I'm going to show you the right way to do it. So start by, I don't care what anybody says, unless the vent is 3 feet long, you have to pull out the dryer to get it cleaned. Okay, so I'm going to pull out the dryer now, disconnect that, and we're going to clean that vent. It goes underneath the house, about 25 feet all the way to the back of the house, underneath the deck. All right, so we'll be back. Okay, we're at the next part of the video. Okay. Crawl space. You got to do these things, guys. You can't just go in the house and clean the dryer vent. It has to be done the right way. Therefore, you got to get under the house sometimes. There's no way you're going to just stick a whip in and clean all this. I mean, look, guys. That's the dryer vent. It goes over the ductwork all the way another 10 feet that way. You have to take it apart to do it right. Okay, so stop it. And some light. Okay, so first thing is I'm gonna take this part off. Can you see? Okay. Oh yeah. Yep. That's dirty. Okay. See what we got here. Very dirty. Okay, so we got that disconnected. Now I'm gonna go turn on the vacuum inside the house. Turn the vacuum on, and then I'll stick this whip, this rotary whip that has a jacket, it's a sleeve, the metal here spins on the inside. Stick it through here, right up in there, with the vacuum on, and it's gonna suck all this lint out. Okay, all right, I'll be back. Okay, we're back. We're gonna whip out this first section of vent. The vacuum is on. See that? See that? Now that's clear. Hear that vacuum? Clear. Then we want to get this piece. So we're going to put the whip in here and loosen everything up. Then we'll reattach it so the vacuum sucks it out.
You guys see this? Look at that. Look at that. It's gonna get back right up. Hear that? So we already stuck the whip up through here. This leads right through the floor to the back of the dryer. Oh yeah. Big clog. Big clog up there. Well, I gotta go upstairs and unclog the back because this thing is loaded. Okay, I'm back. Just unclogged the vacuum. This thing was so loaded, the vacuum clogged. So here we go again. Now we're gonna go this way again. Now this brush is spinning inside here, cleaning everything out the way it's supposed to be. You hear all that? All right, follow me. We're gonna go down there now. And whip that out. Yep. See where it's disconnected there now? So now we're gonna stick the whip in that way. You can hear the vacuum still running. Hopefully my camera work is good for you guys. Seems to be. Yep. Still recording. Yep. All right. Got vacuum. See that suction? Now I'm gonna stick this through. Okay, that's clear. Now let's take a look inside here. Oh, we already looked at that earlier, right? Look at that. Yum. All right, here we go. Hopefully you guys could see this. I'll try to use a rock. Look at this. Look at this. Oh yeah. Beautiful. Let's look at it now. Oh yeah. If I can focus, beautiful. Put it in one more time. Focus, come on. Yeah, you can see that's clean. Okay, now, so
All of this is clear now. Okay? All of this is clear now. See that? All clear. Get you some light.
all clear. You see? Yeah, clear. You hear the vacuum?
That means it's clear. That line is clear. I'm gonna reattach this, and that's it. Call it a day. Done. That's how you clean dry vents, guys. Clean-Rite exterior cleaning. Okay. Sign it off. If I could turn it off.
That's my back. Okay. Beautiful. And that is the vac.